In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Zerion app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the currency setting, what it changes, and a few tips to make sure everything updates the way you expect. First, open Zerion on your device or head to the Zerion website in your browser. Give it a second to load your portfolio and balances so you can immediately see the impact of the change. Having a stable internet connection helps here since prices and balances refresh in real time. Next, look to the top right corner for the settings option. It usually appears as a small gear icon or a clearly labeled settings button. Tap or click that. If your screen looks a little different due to a recent update or your device's layout, try expanding any menu in the top area or look for a profile or menu icon that reveals settings. The goal is simply to open the main settings panel. Inside settings, find and select preferences. Preferences is the place where Zerion groups general display and personalization options, so it's the logical home for currency controls. Opening preferences ensures you're adjusting how information appears rather than changing anything about your wallets or assets. Within preferences, choose currency. This section controls how prices, balances, and portfolio totals are displayed across the app. It does not change your actual holdings or execute any conversion. It only changes the unit used to display values. Think of it like switching the measuring units from miles to kilometers. Same distance, different label. On the currency screen, select the currency you want. You'll typically see a list of common options like dollars, euros, pounds, and more. Pick the one that matches how you like to track value day to day. As soon as you select it, Zerion should update your portfolio totals, token prices, and performance charts automatically. If you're tracking multiple wallets or networks, this setting applies consistently across them, giving you a unified view in your chosen currency. After choosing, glance back at your main portfolio or any asset page to confirm the change took effect. You should see amounts now labeled in your selected currency and price movements and totals recalculated accordingly. If you frequently compare with other apps, set the same currency there too for a cleaner apples to apples view. That's all there is to it. Go to Zerion, open settings, head into preferences, tap currency, and choose the one you want. Your display updates instantly and your assets remain untouched. Thanks for watching and enjoy tracking your portfolio in the currency that makes the most sense to you.